Hi, my name is Cora, and I recently completed a True You. One of my main intentions going into the course was to let go of fear and to live a more heart-centered life. In the course, I learned a phrase, and now it's my mantra, and it really has helped me shift from a life of review, where I was constantly reliving and reinvoking all of the things and the fears that I was not wanting to see in my life, to a real transformative shift from a perspective now of a life of preview. Now I feel like I have an awareness of my ability to co-create the experience that I am intending to have in this lifetime. I want to have a conscious experience that is filled with love and real honest intent. This course has helped really connect me to my greater self and shown me how to love and be open in any circumstances that are going on. Post-traumatic stress, present tense stress, it's something that's manageable now that I've had these experiences through a True You. I highly recommend it to you if you're considering this for your own journey.